Hello bachcho, let us look into the question. The question says that total percentage of gene which codes for protein is 2%, 3%, 4% or 5%. So the key concept is HGP, which stands for Human Genome Project. Now, what is Human Genome Project? Basically, Human Genome Project इसलिए शुरू किया गया था in year 1990 till 2003 it ran. It was 13 years. हमने देखा कि ये 13 ईयर प्रोजेक्ट था. बेसिकली इसका मोटो था कि ये ह्यूमन जीन की स्टडी कर पाए एंड उसकी सीक्वेंसिंग कर पाए कि हाउ दे आर, वेयर दे आर लोकेटेड, so that they can create a physical and genetic map of the genome. Not only under Human Genome Project, they studied about human, they carried out human and non-human genome sequencing. Apart from that, ये तो कुछ इनके मेन ओवरव्यू थे. But what were the features of this HGP? Let us look into it. At the end of this HGP, what was the conclusive features? So the salient features of HGP are as follows. The first feature we encountered was the human genome consisted of 31, or you can say 3164.7 million of nucleotide. Apart from that, हमें देखने को मिला कि एक ह्यूमन जीनोम में 30,000 जीन्स हैं, जिसमें से 99.9% similar amongst the two individuals. The other salient feature that we encountered was that out of the entire genome, the number of genes, less than 2% codes for protein. And the last feature that we will be discussing is that repetitive sequences makes up the major part of the genome. Major part of the genome. So these were the salient features. Now we'll be tackling up this question on this basis. Let us look into it. So इस पूरे explanation की basis पे we can say that the total percentage of gene which codes for protein is 2% or less than 2%. Since there is no option below 2%, so we will be putting a tick mark over this 2%. Now we can say that option A is the right answer. Hope you all understood. All the best.